Hi, welcome to Phoenix Blue Designs and Travel, and I wanted to give not quite a review of my Air Dragon. It's more of a demonstration of how to use an Air Dragon. You use it to add air to your tires. It's very quick and convenient, and it's a great tool to use for when you're going on vacation. And you have to check the air in your tires, and if you need air, it's a really quick and easy way to add air to the tires. So here's my review of my Air Dragon. Okay, this is the Air Dragon. It actually plugs in to, and sorry for the mess, right into the plugs here. And you'll be able to fill your air with tires. Fill your tires with air. And here is the unit, and you actually just adjust it and tell it what the PSI for your tires is and set it. And plus goes up, of course, minus goes down. In order to find the PSI for the tires, it's not coming in too clear there. But you'll see over here tire pressure, and just look down for front and rear tire pressure for your tires. And mine is 34 PSI. So I go ahead, hit the unit, hit up, make sure it's set to 34. And so it is ready to go. And it comes with instructions on exactly how to set it up. Let me see if I got the right ones. Here. The quick start guide tells you exactly how to hook everything up. And so let me show you checking the tire. Okay, so I am actually going to have to probably stop and start, because if this was a little lower, then I would be able to handle this with more than just one hand. Make sure I'm just screw cap, and you'll screw. Let me see if I can show you this part of the Air Dragon right in to the tire thread. There you go. Then you hit unit. And mine needs air, a lot of air. And of course you keep going until it hits 34 PSI. And here we go. I hit basically 34 PSI. And this is when you'll shut it off and unplug it. Okay, so that is the Air Dragon and how to use it. Don't forget to get out there. Oh, and I forgot to say, if your tires need a lot of air, more than likely there's an issue and you'll have to go and get them checked, like I have to do. Thanks. Bye.